application of truth table of switching network. So here we are going to perform the application of truth table of switching network of part 1 in an advanced level. So here in this regard, a circuit network will be given. So based upon that circuit network, we have to determine when the current flows from the terminal A into the terminal B. So in this regard, let us illustrate this application of truth table of switching network of part number 1 by means of one illustration, or in other words an example. So here the example is of determine, or in other words find out the behavior of flow of current from the terminals A into B for the network given, for the circuit network given. Solution starts now, whereas in our solution, so here as per the circuit network, so this is the terminal A, whereas here there are the two switches, one is of P and one is of Q. So they are arranged in series, and another switch is arranged, that is R, in parallel to the combination, and this is the terminal B. So we have to find out when the current flows from the terminal A to the terminal B through these switches, that is P and as well as Q, which are arranged in series, and as well as the R is a switch which is arranged in parallel to the P and Q switches. Whereas in the next logical step, so here as per the circuit, so network which is given, the current flows from the terminals A to B in the series combination of the switches. Whereas the two switches P and Q are arranged in series, series combination of switches P and Q. Say here, then we have, so symbolically we can denote by means of, since they are arranged in series, so here there can be written by means of P and as well as Q. Then in the similar manner, the current flows from the terminal that is A to the terminal that is B in the parallel combination of switch that is R, then now the behavior of the circuit network can be shown so here the behavior of the circuit network can be shown by means of the truth value of the truth table of the condition that is P and Q. Since R is connected in parallel, so here we can write the condition as P and Q are R. So here the behavior of the circuit network can be shown by the truth table of P and Q are R. But whereas, say in case in the truth table when we get the last column truth values as true, then it indicates the current flows from the terminal that is A to the terminal B. So in case if we get the truth value as F, that is the false, then it indicates the current does not flows. Then as well as when it is of true, then it is understood that the switch is closed. Then if the truth value is of F, that is false, then it is understood that the switch is open. Then now, whereas in the next logical step,